Hi guys, welcome back to African Foods with Lily. If you are new here, you are really welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support. It's Lillian here. We are going to make soft and fluffy, really fluffy banana mandazi. Guys, these are so yummy and so easy to make, and they don't take long. So I have one banana here. You can use more bananas if you're going to use more flour. Yeah, but I'm using one banana. As you can see, it's a really big banana. If you have small ones, you can use two bananas. Now mash this up nicely until it's really soft, the way you like it. And in a different bowl, please add in a half cup of warm milk and a tablespoon of active dry yeast. Now if you have instant yeast, you can also use it, please. Now you add in sugar helps this bloom properly. Now you mix that nicely, let it sit for 10 minutes, and now let's get to our banana. Add in 3 cups of all-purpose flour, a half teaspoon of salt, and a quarter cup of sugar. You can use less sugar if you want to, but honestly I used this sugar was really moderate. It wasn't too much, it was perfect if you don't want too much sugar. Now if you used very overripe bananas, you can go in with just 2 tablespoons of sugar, because the more they are overripe, the sweeter they are. So you add in your yeast mix there, and now you start kneading. Also add in 1 egg, please, and you knead this nicely until you get until your dough is ready. Now, as you can see, this is very soft. You're going to add in a bit of cooking oil. I added in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, kneaded that in there like that. Yes, remember we are making a very soft mandazi and fluffy. That is what I'm looking for. So yes, my dough is a bit too soft, but that's exactly what I am looking for. Now you try to fold this in nicely like that, and when you are done, you are going to cover it and let it sit for at least 1 hour, because you want it to double in size. You punch out excess air in there as much as possible. You punch it out from your dough. Now you're going to add your dough on your work surface. What I'm doing is that I'm making sure that there is no excess air in our dough from the yeast. I'm also going to cut it into two parts, so that way it's easier for me to make the shapes that I need. So yes, add a bit of flour on your worktop or whatever you're using, on the surface you're using, and you knead this out. You knead this out until you get a shape just like that. Now I know you can make very many shapes, but I wanted to make mandazi sticks. I wanted to, yes, that's the shape I wanted, so I went with that. Now, a step I didn't show in this is that these were a bit too long for me, so I had to cut them into half. So I went in there and cut my shapes into halves so that they are not too long, because my pan is not big like that. Yeah, so you're going to also cover this for another 25 minutes. Yes, just like that. So add your pan on the fire and add your oil. When your oil is ready, you add in your mandazi sticks. Now guys, these are really nice. You are going to enjoy them. Don't mind the shapes. The shapes here got out of hand. But yeah, they are really nice, and you guys please try them out. Now remember to please cook on low heat so that your mandazis don't burn but they cook evenly and nicely. You cook 3 minutes on 3 minutes each side. You turn them to make sure that they cook even, and please make sure you are cooking on low heat again. So our mandazis are ready. The moment they brown like this, you get them out. Don't wait for them to really get too brown, because then they might burn on you. So yeah, get them out as soon as they are golden brown, just like that. Very nice. And you add them on either on a kitchen or a paper towel or something like that, so that excess oil they may lose all their excess oil. Thank you guys for watching. God bless you. Ciao.